smash the palm tree and shoot like this. And they lift up the house. Switzerland, yes, they can do it like that. The motorbike's gone away and they put it where it belongs. Yes, great. And Gallet collected the supply truck. Not bad. It's a little bit hectic over there, but they shouldn't. It's more than 1 minute left for this competition. Great. Ah, Switzerland. Look at this. They smashed the building. Great. They did what they should. And the road sign is standing upright over there. That means points, points, points. The tsunami, there it goes. And the last 30 seconds. Smashed like an earthquake, the building as well. And look at those Switzerland guys. 6-5.